Now in section 4, we turn to the cal participle for middle weak forms. The cal participle has typically been marked by the holum vowel. However, in middle weak forms, that holum does not occur, and instead you see a comet's vowel. The cal participle of katal, which you know well, is kotail, kotelet, kotalim, kotalot. However, for kum, we have kam, kama, kamim, kamot. This is a different enough form from the form you know of the cal participle that the cal participle paradigm for kum must be memorized. Two notes that you should take account of. First, for middle weak verbs, the cal participle masculine singular is identical to the cal perfect third masculine singular. The form will not help you distinguish between the two, and you will need context to determine whether this form is a cal participle masculine singular or a cal perfect third masculine singular form. Second, you will notice the only difference between the feminine singular participle and the cal perfect is the placement of the accent. For a participle feminine singular, the accent will be on the final syllable, kama. On the other hand, for a cal perfect third feminine singular, the accent will be on the first syllable, kama. Consider these three examples. First, Micah 7:6. Ki ven menabel av, bat kama ba'ima. So ki, causal, for, ben, a son, menabel. Note the characteristic mem prefix indicating a PL participle. Nabel in form PL participle masculine singular of naval, a root that relates to foolishness. So in the PL, to treat as a fool. Of, a father. For a son treats a father as a fool. In context, you would say a son treats his father as a fool. Then in parallel to that, bat kama ba'ima. Bat, a daughter. Kama, note that the stress is on the second syllable, indicating a cal participle feminine singular of a hollow root, kum. A daughter rises against, cal participle feminine singular of kum. Ba is the against, bait, an adversative bait, the grammarians call it. Ima, im, mother. Ah, the possessive suffix, her mother. Second, Isaiah 5:20. Havo ha-omerim la ra tov, v'la-tov ra. Samim hoshek la'or, va'or lahoshek. Samim mar lamatok, umatok lamar. So first, woe. Woe to whom? Ha, definite article. Note that because the next letter is a guttural and cannot double, you have compensatory lengthening. Ha, the omerim, a classic cal participle masculine singular of amar, the ones who say, la, ra. So la, the preposition lamed, for evil, tov, good. Woe to the ones who say, for evil, good, v'latov, ra, and for good, evil. Then, another participle, parallel to omerim, samim, cal participle, masculine plural, this time of seem, the hollow root. The ones who put choshek la'or, darkness for light, v'or lahoshek, or light for darkness. And then the same participle again, samim, the ones who put mar lamatok, bitter for sweet, u matok lamar, and sweet for bitter. And third, Genesis 33 verse 1. V'hine Esau ba, v'imo arba me'ot ish. And look and see, so vav, the connector, and plus hine, Esau, the proper noun, ba. Now remember, this form could formally be either a cow participle masculine singular of bow, or just by form alone, it could have been a cow perfect third masculine singular of bow. In context, the participle is more likely, but the participle is chosen only because of a contextual judgment, not because the form itself can help us understand the difference. And look, Esau was coming, and look, Esau coming, and with him, and with him, Arba Me'ot, 400 men.